Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing slash hauling two purchases, two Christmas gifts, one that my husband got me and one that I got myself. And I'm so excited to share these with you guys. You guys know I'm not like a designer girl. I have like two designer bags and they have all been purchased on like my birthday. Basically that's kind of like how I treat myself. And then this year, or last year I guess, instead of waiting for my birthday, I was like, I'm gonna buy myself this for Christmas, because I never really buy myself a special Christmas gift. And my husband got me the first thing and then it inspired me to get the next thing. So I'll explain it, but let's jump into it because I'm really excited to share with you guys these purchases, and I just can't wait to show you. So let's unbox the first one because it just came in. So I'm really excited to actually like open it up with you guys. So let's get in here. The box. Here's the little card. So both of these bags were purchased through a consignment store, which I think is so smart. My other two designer purchases, I went into the store and bought them myself. But now that I'm a little bit older and a little bit more frugal with my money, I just really think that getting your pieces through consignment stores makes so much more sense, especially if you get a good deal, because you're saving money, you're getting the same, you know, designer piece, but you're saving money. And I just think it's a lot smarter that way. And also with some of these places, you can use like Afterpay and things like that. It's a great way to, you know, get something for yourself, but also be affordable, because some of these pieces you get hundreds of dollars off of them just because it has like one little scuff or a little bit of something's missing or something like that. And honestly, it looks, to me, I think things look a little bit better when they're a little worn in, because they look more real. Like, I don't know, I just think that worn in leather and like a little bit of a used vibe just looks more designer to me. Maybe that's me being crazy, but I just think that it makes more sense. And this isn't sponsored, I've just been using the Real for a while. So this is the first bag. Look how cute. So it is a YSL wallet on chain. It's so cute. The little box is just adorable, and the box is in really good condition. I mean, it literally has still like all the tags on it and everything. There's one little nick on the box here. Put some glue and like paint it. Other than that, the box is literally in brand new condition. Doesn't bother me, because honestly, when you buy like designer items, especially leather items, within a couple months they're gonna be worn. So why spend more money for a piece that's gonna look used within a couple months anyway? Like, I don't know, I just see things differently now, I guess because I'm getting older. So let's open it up. So excited. Oh my god. So here's the little dust bag. So this bag is the one that comes from the Real. But in the box itself comes the dust bag from YSL. Oh, cute. Oh my god. Look at how cute. Oh my god. Is this not to die? Is this not adorable? I love this like muted blush color because it's like nude, but it's still kind of blush. And I feel like you can wear it with different things. So looking at it, it looks pretty much brand new. I've noticed a couple little things, but it's barely anything. Like, it literally looks brand new. Like, if I told you this was straight from the store, you guys wouldn't know the difference. Amazing. The only thing I'm seeing is it looks like there's a little scuff right here, and then either dirt or a scuff right there. Yeah, it looks completely brand new. Like, I'm really impressed with the quality and the way it is. It looks completely brand new. I love the little size of it. It's so cute. I love that you can hold it like this on the shoulder, and then also you can wear it crossbody. I love that. I love that. So now let's look inside. So it has a little magnetic button. There's a small pocket here, and then pocket here, a place for all of your cards, and then a zipper compartment as well. So I'm not the kind of person who carries a lot in my purse. I carry just like the necessities. I don't even really carry my wallet. So for me, this is like more than enough space. Most of the time my phone is in my hands, but I'm sure my phone would fit in here. I have the 11 Pro Max, so it fits right in there, and there's still space. And then I would probably have maybe my lipstick in here, my keys, and a couple of cards, and that's really all I carry. Asthma inhaler, because the girl has asthma, honey. Okay, so I can't fit my phone and my inhaler, I don't think. But if my phone is in my hands, I can fit my inhaler, my AirPods, and then I'd be able to fit my cards, and then my keys would probably go in here. And there's also that little front pocket you could use for keys. You can't really fit your phone in here if you have other stuff in there. Oh, there's a back compartment too. So like this is also a pocket back here. So yeah, it's very small. I saw some reviews of people saying like, oh, I had to return it because it really doesn't fit like even your phone, which it's true. If you put other stuff in there, you cannot fit the phone. But I don't mind that because my phone is, like I said, normally in my hands. And then everything else would be like my AirPods, inhaler, cards, and keys. And everything would fit in here. And a lipstick. I could probably fit a lipstick in here too. There's also a back pocket here. This is called the Sunset Wallet on Chain. And I love the style of this with the flat kind of overlapping sleek design. I think it's very chic and minimal, very classic. Like you could use this forever. It's never gonna go out of style. The color is super classic, and I think the color also works nicely with a lot of things because it's slightly cool tone. So you can get away with wearing it with grays, silvers, purple, black, white, but it's also blush, so you can get away with mixing warm tones and nude tones. And you guys know that I will definitely get my use out of this. So let me show you guys what comes in the YSL box. A little envelope with all your bag's information and certifications and everything. So it's a little envelope with all of your bag info, just like everything about the bag in different languages. And then this is like the main booklet that you would get with any designer purchase, and it has, again, just more information about the bag in different languages, like care information, things like that. It's really cute. If you ever do buy a designer item, make sure you keep everything that comes with it. Because that will help you in the future if you want to sell it. Anything you have that makes it still new and makes it authentic is going to come in handy if you want to resell it. And then this is the dust bag for the bag. How cute is that? I love, love, love. So when I buy stuff, like even from the Real, I keep everything as well. And you want to keep the bag in either its dust bag or the Real dust bag. So that in case you want to resell it, you have everything it came with. Okay, so the next bag, last bag, my husband got me for Christmas, and I am just stoked. Look at the box. It's the same box, just way bigger because it's a way bigger bag. And I absolutely love these boxes. They're so chic. And I have, like, in my closet, my main closet, on the top shelf, I have all of my designer like boxes and bags. It's very Pinteresty. Maybe I'll take a picture and show you guys how it looks, and I just think it's so cute. And then I have like the everlasting flowers with some books stacked. It's like the one place that I get to be super cliche Pinteresty girly. So let's open this up. So this bag is the Lulu bag, which was on my wish list. I am obsessed with this style, and I freaking love it. So I had actually the black one of this bag in my Real cart, and then my husband got it for me for Christmas. So I'll show you guys the YSL dust bag, or the Saint Laurent dust bag. And then this is the actual bag. I already used it, so everything's already, you know, taken off all the stuff. But you guys can see it looks literally brand new. This one has a little wear on the chain, but you literally can't tell. And it actually doesn't bother me because I prefer gold, and the more this wears down, the more copper it gets. So like, it doesn't bother me. But it looks amazing. It's in completely amazing condition. And there was like a scuff right at the tip here and a scuff at the tip here, but my husband is really good with repairing shoes. He has like a little side hustle where he will where people pay him to repair their shoes, like Nikes and Jordans and all types of stuff like that, so he can, you know, revive them. And he has all of these different like leather paints and leather conditioners, so we were able to color match and paint the little scuff there, and it's literally like brand new. Like, you wouldn't even know. If I told you this was brand new, you'd probably believe me. It does have some wear. Like, you see how the leather looks wrinkly and buttery and just like lived in. You see how soft it is? It's so soft, and it just feels so good. Like, YSL bags are, the price point, the style, they're so chic. So this bag I love, love, love because of the envelope style here. And then the design of it is just so chic. And again, I love this color because for me, I personally probably wouldn't have gone for a gray taupey color like this. But this color is actually very popular for 2021, first of all. Second of all, I love it because my husband was very smart about it, and he was like, well, you have black, you have white, you have this, you have that, so let me get her something taupe. And I was like, babe, that's so thoughtful, because he was right. There would be a lot of times where I would be getting dressed and I'd be like, damn, I wish I had a black one of this or like a gray one of that. And so he was paying attention, and he got me the style I wanted with a color that I needed. So I'm really, really, really loving this bag. It is so beautiful, and I love the size. It's like the perfect, you can stuff this with stuff, but it's still comfortable size. So when you open it, again, it has that same magnetic opening, and this magnet is no joke. Like, it doesn't open easily. So it has a large pocket in front, a middle zipper compartment, and then a large pocket in the back. And then this also has like a hidden pocket in the back as well. Like right here, there's another non-zipper pocket. This one does not have like the little credit card thing. It's just pockets, pockets, pockets. So it has more than enough space for a wallet. And you can see here it says Saint Laurent Paris. I love, love, love those little details. Even the hardware on the button here says Saint Laurent Paris. And it is just, it's so beautiful. And then again, we have our little card with all of the info. So this is the Lulu style, which is definitely, I think, a style that is becoming like a YSL classic. So I would definitely pick this up if you guys were thinking about it. I think it's a good investment. I think that YSL bags are becoming very classic, and they're kind of going up there in popularity as well as chicness, but they're also attainable. The prices are very good for designer, especially for the quality, and I would definitely recommend picking some up now because they're having a surge. And I think like when brands start to have surges like this, they raise their prices and they lower quality, which is what kind of happened with Chanel. So just something to think about if you were kind of wanting to get in the YSL game. I also really want to pick up the nude Lulu, maybe like a smaller Lulu, like the mini but in a nude, or like the Kate wallet on chain in a nude. I really want a true like color like this in a designer bag. Not sure if I'll get another YSL or maybe like, I don't know, maybe a Dior, because those are kind of becoming classics too. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, seeing everything. And yeah, like, I don't know, I just thought it'd be fun to share with you guys. I'm excited about it. I'm in no way trying to brag. Like I said, if you use the Real, you can use Afterpaste or Affirm, I think they have. So it is attainable for everyone in a way. And it doesn't mess up your credit. So yeah, anyway, I'm not sponsored. Like I said, if they want to sponsor me, Real, hear me out. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Your girl is open, available, willing, and able. I would love to get a coupon code for you guys. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Stay glam, and I'll see you in the next one.